Sawadika, welcome back to our EatSleepBangkok channel. This is Chaw and we'll be your host for a day. Now I am at the IKEA Swedish restaurant, so let's go and check it out. So this is a Sassava style. This is the cold dishes. So this is the like Swedish restaurant. So they also sell the Swedish food. Sure. So I will choose the Swedish cake. Here, this one. So I will choose this one. Swedish meatballs. So this is the place to bake your bake here. So you can take your spoon and knife here. Let's go and find a place to eat. So I got my food here. It is Swedish food. Guys, a little bit hard to find my space because it is Sunday and so many people are camped here. So it's really crowded. So, but I got my Swedish food with the Swedish flesh. Yeah, this is the Swedish meatball. So its meatball is made with beef and pork. Yeah. So. This is the gravy. This is broccoli and mashed potato. This is the lingonberry. I never tried, and I have never heard this kind of berry. Maybe this is the special berry. Yeah. So let's try. Put this one on the top and then cut it. So let's try. It's nice. The gravy is a little bit creamy. And sweet. I love the taste. Yeah, a lot. With the mashed potato. First time seeing this jam with the meatball. I think it's kind of weird, but the taste is, yeah, it's really good. Yeah. This food is really different from the food that I eat. So whatever is really different, but I still like it. Yeah, it's really good. So well done, Swedish. So the price of this Swedish food is 170 baht, so which is around $5, and it is big portion. So I got the drink. This is the special drink, which is peach sparkling water. Well, I've never tried it. So peach sparkling water is kind of strange for me. So I have to try. So let's go. The sound. Smell is really peachy. Yeah, it is water, so I got the smell of peach, but it's still water. So guys, I still have to try one more. This is the Swedish dessert. It is a Swedish cake. It's like a chocolate and caramel. Yeah. So let's open it. Wow. Yeah, it's chocolate. I got the smell of chocolate, so let's try. It's really sweet and soft and full of chocolate. Yeah. And they also add the almond nut here. Yeah. I heard the nuts are really good for your health. Yeah. It's rich and sugary, so sugary. So, but I love the sweet things. So this is perfect for me. Yeah. So I can eat it the whole thing. Yeah. And it is also called the 85 baht, so which is around over $2. Yeah. So spending my day in IKEA is really nice and really a good things and good experience for me. So if you want to, I also check the furniture. So if you want to know about the IKEA furniture that I showed to you, so you can also watch in our sister channel, EatSleepBangkok channel. It's here. So bye bye guys, see you.